So I went ahead and removed our header tags and just added one that says Rey of Jakku. And the reason for that is that we're going to add an image of Rey from Star Wars onto the screen. And images are added with image tags, and it's not spelled completely like image, just like header 1 isn't header 1. It's just IMG. And when I'm in Visual Studio, I can just type IMG, hit tab, and it'll fill out some properties for me. And it has two different ones on here, two attributes. And all you have to do is in the source attribute, which is src, is put a URL to an image on anywhere on the internet in there, and you just save it. And when we go back over to our web page and we refresh, we'll see that Rey shows up. Obviously, Rey is really big right now, not exactly how we would want her to look on the screen, which is what we'll fix in the next video. But image tags are used all over, and they're very important that you understand how they work, which we'll get into more in the next videos.